Is your business relying on software that technically works, but creates friction every single day? If growth has made your systems harder to manage instead of easier, this case study will sound familiar. Today, I want to walk you through a real example. How custom application development helped a growing company. Replace disconnected tools with one system, built around how they actually operate. Hi, I'm Doron Farber from the Farber Consulting Group Inc. For over 30 years, we've helped businesses replace aging systems, spreadsheets, and patchwork software with custom applications designed to support real workflows, not fight them. The challenge. This company had grown steadily, but their internal systems never caught up. Over time, they layered tool after tool on top of each other, which led to daily problems. Teams were entering the same data into multiple systems. Reports never matched because data lived in different places. Simple process changes required workarounds. Performance slowed as more users were added. Leadership lacked a clear, real-time view of operations. The software wasn't broken, it just wasn't built for how the business had evolved. They didn't need another off-the-shelf platform. They needed custom application development built around their actual process, our approach. Before writing a single line of code, we focused on understanding how the business really worked day to day. We documented real workflows instead of idealized ones. Identified bottlenecks caused by manual steps and duplicated data. Designed a custom application that's unified operations in one place. Automated repetitive tasks that caused delays and errors. Built the system to scale without slowing down performance. Kept the interface clean so teams could adopt it easily. This wasn't about adding features. It was about removing friction. The results. After launching the new custom application, manual data entry dropped significantly. Reports updated in real time instead of taking hours. Teams stopped relying on spreadsheets and side tools. The system handled growth without performance issues. Management finally had accurate visibility into operations. Most importantly, the software worked the way the business worked. Takeaway. Custom application development isn't about complexity. It's about alignment. When your software matches your process, teams move faster, mistakes decrease, and growth becomes manageable instead of stressful. If your current system feels like it's holding you back, a custom application may be the cleanest path forward. Visit us at dfarber.com or call us at 732-536-4765 to talk through your project. And subscribe for more real-world software and database case studies.